All right, not only Father's Day, it is the first day of summer as well. Our favorite chef, Frank Terranova, Class Cooking, is here with.
It's that time of the year. They're out.
The berries.
It actually said it's a very good time. It's very early to get up in the morning
Yes.
to come and do this. Okay, this is a cross between a pie and a cake. I call it a cake, but it's out of this world. All right, what we do is, in order for saving time, I cream some butter and some sugar.
All right.
To this, we're going to add just 1 egg, and once we incorporate the egg, going to add just a splash of vanilla extract. And then now we're going to start alternating. This is flour, and then I sifted it, and it's like as light as a feather. So we'll add a little bit of flour. This is a very, very, very heavy batter.
Okay.
Okay, then we're going to add just a little bit of milk. Add the milk in a couple of stages. And add the rest of the flour. Okay, there's salt in here too, so can't forget salt. And then add the rest of the milk. Then, into a greased pie plate goes the batter. And we're just going to go into the corners, very simply. And then the strawberries are cut in half. And then all we're going to do is start placing them on top in a circle all the way around. Then this goes into a 350-degree oven, and it bakes for about 30-35 minutes. When we take it out, you want to cool it really well. And the beauty part about this, Mario, is this can actually stay out at room temperature. And the liquid that you see, that's a strawberry coulis. And anything that's coulis is just a thickened sauce, either with fruit and or vegetables. This has, I laced it with a little bit of brandy. So it has a nice, but very, very delicate. So if children are going to have, you can pull it, but
you can make this for dessert for Dad at your cookout.
Exactly. And the nice thing about this can sit outside. You know, it is. Isn't it different?
Yeah, it's different. And what do we call it?
I'm going to call it a strawberry cake. I don't want to call it a strawberry pie cake. People are going to think this guy's nuts.
Awesome. Recipes on our website.
Turn10.com.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, everybody.
We'll see you next week.
And we'll be here.